Microsoft is retiring some of its most popular fundamental certifications, including the MS-900, MB-910, and the MB-920. So if you're planning to get certified, this is a pretty big change, and I'll walk you through what's going away and what's replacing it. We'll cover everything from which exams are retiring, why Microsoft is making the change, and what the new AI Workplace Fundamentals exam, because yes, we have a confirmed new certification coming, looks like compared to the old MS-900. Now let's start with the retirements. In a blog post on the Microsoft tech community, Microsoft announced that several fundamentals exams will be retired by the end of 2025. This includes, honestly, some of the most popular fundamentals exams, such as the MS-900, Microsoft 365 Certified Fundamentals, MB-910, Microsoft Dynamics 365 Fundamentals CRM, and its sibling MB-920, Dynamics 365 Fundamentals ERP. Now, if you're studying for those, you can still take them until December 31st, 2025. And after that, they're gone. So if you want to take them, now is the time. And the cool thing with fundamentals, since they technically never expire, they're going to stay on your transcript forever. Now you might wonder, why retire them? And I mean, let's be honest here. It's no secret that Microsoft has one thing on their mind, and that is Copilot. We've seen the rebrands where everything is now Copilot, and we've seen the M365 be renamed to Copilot, M365 apps be renamed to Copilot. And so far, in the learning department, we have been spared, but it's now time for those rebrands to also make it to Microsoft Learn. Microsoft said that it's time to evolve certifications for an AI-driven, agent-first future. In plain terms, fundamentals need to reflect today's workplace, and that means Copilot and AI are front and center. Now enough with the sad news. The good news is that we do have some new certifications coming up. So there are 2 new exams that we for sure know about. And let me start by the expert certification. A few months ago, I published a video on my channel talking about how we might see Microsoft merge the PL600 Power Platform Architect and MB-700 Dynamics 365 Architect with only one AI Architect exam. And by the way, if you missed that video, this is why you should subscribe to Vlad Talks Tech, so you always get the latest Microsoft certification news. But Microsoft confirmed they are working on an expert certification to validate AI-first expertise, including advanced skills in generative AI, multi-agent orchestration, and agentic design by using Microsoft Copilot Studio, Azure AI services such as Foundry, and Dynamics 365. Now, there is no news yet on exactly what's inside or if the PL600 and MB700 will retire. However, that definitely seems to be the exam that I talked about in my previous video that's coming up. Now we'll have to see for the retirements. Now, let's move over to the fundamentals exam, and this one we have more information on. First of all, we have the exam number. It's the AB-900, and the name is AI Workplace Fundamentals. So it looks like we're going to get a brand new code for the exams, AB, which I think stands for AI and Business Applications, which maps to how Microsoft reorganized the business, where AI and business applications are one of the organizations inside Microsoft. Now, why do we know more is because Microsoft did a survey which gave us information on it, and honestly, I feel like it's an evolution from the MS-900 exam, but it adds a lot of Copilot into it, as well as more administration than I thought. Now, some of the things that candidates should be able to do are, first of all, identify the core features and objects of Microsoft 365 services, which seems to come straight from the MS-900, and after that, it switches over to AI. We have understand data protection and governance tasks for M365 and Microsoft 365 Copilot, as well as perform basic administrative tasks for Microsoft 365 Copilot and agents. If we look a bit deeper down at the details, what I realized is that the first big pillar is basically almost all of the MS-900. It covers the identity and core objects of M365, as well as Microsoft 365 security principles such as Zero Trust principles, Defender XDR, and Entra ID. So you're going to need to understand things such as single sign-on, conditional access policies, secure score, PIM, privileged identity management, and more. So that's just one of the pillars for the exam. But now we have two more pillars that got added. First of all, we have understand data protection and governance tasks for Microsoft 365 and M365 Copilot, which covers Microsoft Purview and things such as information protection, data loss prevention, insider risk management, DSPM, and more. We then have in this pillar understanding data security implications for Microsoft 365 Copilot, and that includes understanding how Microsoft 365 Copilot accesses data, how the graph influences Copilot responses, and how permissions work in the scope of Copilot. Also, I'm a big fan of this one, it also includes SharePoint Advanced Management features, such as data access governance reports and restricted content discoverability. We then move over to the final pillar, perform basic administrative tasks for Microsoft 365 Copilot and agents. This is really interesting as this one focuses purely on Copilot with objectives such as understanding the built-in features of Microsoft 365 Copilot, features of agents in SharePoint and M365 Copilot and custom agents, understanding the licensing model for both monthly and pay-as-you-go features, and that one's going to be a tough one to keep up to date, and we also have analysts and researchers, so of course you're going to need to know those as well. Wow, what a pillar. Finally, we have admin tasks for both Copilot and agents with features such as assigning Copilot licenses, monitoring Copilot adoption, and managing prompts. For agents, we need to know how to manage user access to agents, how to create an agent, and how to get it approved and manage its lifecycle from both the M365 Admin Center and the Power Platform Admin Center. Okay, so what do I think about this? That is a lot of content. This truly seems like they took the MS-900 exam and they put it on steroids, but with double the content that it had before. Now, I do wonder if Microsoft will plan to make this a two-day class like they did for the PL900 instead of a one-day class like the MS-900 was in order to cover all the content. But yeah, this will be a ton of content, and I'm surprised and honestly maybe a little bit even disappointed that there seems to be a ton of admin content in this AB-900 exam. I truly wish that Microsoft gave us a dedicated, maybe fundamentals, maybe associate level exam to cover all the admin centers, reports, and permissions for Copilot instead of having one fundamental exam that covers it all for business users, information workers, admins. Give us that admin exam that covers that purview, that defender, that's how to manage M365 agents, that deserves its own exam, because right now we're going to have this huge fundamentals exam that will be as much content as associate. So yeah, I'm really excited about it, that's for sure. I cannot wait to take it. I cannot wait to create content on it. I mean, I already have all the content out there. It's not packaged into the certification yet. So I look forward to creating a dedicated certification prep course for it, but it will be a lot of content. Now I hope I'll be able to take the beta exam, hopefully towards Ignite. Microsoft will have the beta out there. It's not confirmed yet, so let's see what Microsoft has in store for us. And now, while I can't give the specifics yet, I know for sure that Microsoft is working on more exams that have to do with AI. And this will probably build, when I talked about the AB, AI and business solutions, they'll probably build up this new pillar, this new bucket of certifications. And I can't talk about them yet. I've seen the titles, I've seen some of the subjects they're working on, but I'll make sure to do a video on them as soon as I can. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. This has been a bit of a longer video than I wanted to, but we covered a lot of content. So if you're eyeing the MS-900, MB-900, or MB-920, the clock is ticking, and you've got until the end of 2025 to take them. And if you want a fundamental certification that stays relevant in the AI era, AB-900 is the one to watch. And let me tell you something cool. If you want to take the MS-900, on the screen right now, you have a current promotion as I'm recording this video where you can get up to 50% off the exam. So let me know in the comments, what do you think about the AB-900 cert?